Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix vector art only in Wix. So, if you're having trouble with vector art on your Wix website, whether it's not displaying, looking blurry, or won't resize properly, don't worry. This step-by-step guide will help you fix any vector art issues fastly. So, Wix supports SVG format for vector graphics. Make sure that your artwork is saved as .svg. Don't upload JPG or PNG if you expect scalable vector quality. And if you're using Illustrator or another tool, export with SVG 1.1 standard for compatibility. Now, go to your Wix editor and navigate to Media. After navigating to Media, choose Upload Images button and drag and drop or select Upload from Computer and choose your .svg file. After uploading and inserting it using the media library, you can insert it using the image SVG, drag it from the media library. Avoid dragging into a text box or unsupported containers. And if your vector looks pixelated, it may not actually be vector. Now, open the SVG in a text editor to ensure that there are no bitmap images embedded. Re-export it from your design software without any raster effects. Make sure it's not compressed or minified in a way Wix can't render. Also, select the vector image, click Settings, and under Size and Position, turn on Scale Proportionally. If you're using Wix Studio, go to the responsive settings and test how it scales across breakpoints. Now, you can also set percentage for fluid design instead of field pixels. You can preview your site and test the vector on different screen sizes, and if you're using animations or interactions, test for any conflicts, publish the site and recheck the vector for quality and responsiveness. And that's it. Your vector art should now display sharp and responsive in Wix. If you're still having issues, try re-exporting your SVG or reach out to Wix support for advanced rendering issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design tutorials. And I will see you in the next one.